Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $76.8. Okay, and this is the level where it has formed a swing and now it is trying to go upside. And I have already explained you that if the price sustain above a level of $68, chances of touching $77 is on a higher side. Why? Because this is the resistance after $68. Okay, now it has already touched this particular level and came down to a level of $76.88. Okay, now if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go and touch a level of $85.5. That is on a higher probability, because the next resistance we can see coming at a level of around $85.5. okay, and if you look at this particular chart, what you can see, there is a pattern forming. Okay, and what this pattern is saying, that whenever it is hitting its previous high, it is making a fall, and that fall is quite good. Okay, see, suppose after pandemic what had happened, it tries to go upside, after in negative it went, and people are worrying that it will not come up, because when the price has gone in negative, there lot of fear was there in the mind of traders as well as investors. Okay, so those who have put a buy signal at this particular level, they might have made a very good profit. And I have already told you that there will be economies which went down, but probability was very high. In just 2-3 months they can go on a higher side. See, after this particular fall, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, so this is, suppose this is the first high. As soon as it made a high, a fall we have seen, and it formed a swing, went it for the second time, again a fall we have seen, went for the third time, we have seen a fall, and this is being repeated for quite some time. Okay, for the sixth time it tries to make, but it didn't sustain, because few factors affected. That was war situation was there, Fed was continuously increasing the rate, okay, and the dollar getting strengthened. Few of the factor that is affected the price. Now war situation, the import and export balance was the difference which created so much of volatility. Fed was increasing the rates, because of which the dollar getting strengthened. Okay, and once the dollar gets strengthened, what will happen, that suppose XYZ country is importing X amount of oil, they are paying now less, suppose whatever the price of dollar that is, but once the price of dollar move upside, they have to pay more for the same quantity they might be ordering. Okay, now look at this particular chart. A swing has already formed at this particular level. Okay, and it has already touched the level of $77. Okay, now trading at a level of 76.85. so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move or US oil can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are very high that if it sustain above a level of 77, we can see it can cross that particular level of around $77.5 and can go towards a level of around 80.96, and this level is already being tested here. So chances are very high it can cross a level of around $82.61 also. Okay, because all these levels are being tested here, so chances of touching a level of around $83.3 is there, and once the price sustain above that level, we can see it can touch a level of around $83.56. okay, keep that in mind, that once started moving upside to this level, we can see it will touch this level also, and it can go further high. And yes, there is a higher chances, because this is the level when started going upside, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $86.9. okay, so once the price sustain above $86.9, it can go further upside towards a level of $90.31. okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, it can go further upside and can cross a level of around $90.31 to a level of around $93.21. okay, Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So you have to understand, once started sustaining above a level of 77, chances of touching $85.5 on higher side, and once it sustain above that level, we can see a level of $86.9 to a level of 90.31 to a level of 93.2. okay, and then further upside we can see for the price of crude. So that you have to understand, and because once started moving above this level, there is chance of going further upside is there. Okay, once started above a level of 93, we can see it can cross a level of around $95.10 to a level of 96.2, and then it can touch a level of around $97.8. okay, and once the price move above that level, we can see it can go further upside. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Now understand, the market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that the market will go sharp rise, no, it will not, or sharp fall, it will not. It will only happen when there is a big event is coming, or there is something, a breakout is happening. okay, that is where we can see some movement, a good movement will come. Otherwise, the how market moves, it hold for some time, that is how it goes. okay, in the similar way it comes down. okay, so always set your SL, that is should be your first priority. Set a limit for your particular day, week, month, and even trade, whatever trade you are taking. What will happen, it will save your capital, that is very important, even your profit. These are the two important things that you have to save. Then your level of confidence will also build, as well as you can save your capital and can build your good wealth. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support of $74.9. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can touch a level of around $73. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can touch a level of around $71.96. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can go further down towards a level of $71.1. okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular level, chances of going further down, we can see it can touch a level of 69.7, and if that level also move further low, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $68. You have to keep it in mind that once started falling below $68, chances are very high that it can go further down towards a level of $66.9. okay, because this is the level we can see, and then there is higher chances that it can touch a level of around 65. Why? Because this is the low of this particular zone. So once it fall below a level of 65, we can see it can touch a level of around $63.4. okay, so you have to understand, once started falling below $63, then you can say yes, a probability of going towards 62.3 is there, and then further down we can say, because this level we have not seen since November of 2021, so chances are very high that it can cross a level of 62 also, and can go further down towards a level of 59, and then further if the price didn't sustain that level. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.